Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable the Emojis add-in for Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook web app by navigating to outlook.cloud.microsoft in your browser. This will take you directly to your Outlook web interface where you can access all your email features and customize your experience with various add-ins. Once your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, we're ready to enable the Emojis add-in. Start by looking at your quick access toolbar, which is located on the left side of your screen. This toolbar contains all your frequently used apps and shortcuts. Navigate down to the very bottom of this toolbar where you'll find the More Apps button. Click on it to expand the menu and reveal all the related Microsoft apps available to you. After the menu expands, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of this window. You'll see the Add Apps button positioned there. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll be directed straight to the Microsoft App Store. This is where you can browse and install various add-ins to enhance your Outlook experience. Now that you're in the App Store, you'll see several available apps that you can add to your Outlook. Look for the search bar at the top of the page and type in emoji. This will filter the results to show you emoji-related apps available for installation. From the search results that appear, locate and click on the Emojis app. Make sure it's the one with Update Star listed as the app publisher, as this is the official and most reliable version. Once you click on it, a small overview window will pop up displaying information about the app and its features. In this overview window, you'll see an Add button. Simply click on Add, and Outlook will immediately start the installation process for this add-in. You'll need to wait a few moments while the system processes and installs the emoji functionality into your Outlook interface. The installation typically takes just a few seconds, and once it's complete, the Emojis app will be available and ready to use within your Outlook. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Emojis add-in for Outlook, giving you quick access to a wide range of emojis to make your emails more expressive and engaging. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.